One of the best AI image editing tool I have found so far is this image creator. Not only it is quite useful, but the product it is offering are really directly matching with the real world use cases, and there are a lot of them. And one of the best things is that they are quite generous too in terms of credits. All you need to do is to sign up at their website, and they will give you quite a lot of free credits, and if you do their survey you will get more. So recently I have just obtained around 46 credits from them just by doing a survey, and you can do the same. And also, just to put icing on the cake, you also might win a $200 Amazon gift card. A disclaimer, I have no affiliation with them. This is just pure educational purposes. Okay. Now, as you can see, I'm already logged into their website where you can do a lot of things. You can simply put a text here and then click on create, and it will create an image for you. So text to image creation. So let me try out with one prompt. I'm just asking it that serene setting of a white sandy beach with palm trees in background with turquoise water. And then I clicked on create button, and on the right hand side it has started creating. It seems they are under quite a lot of load, so my position in the queue is uh, 15 16. So let's wait for it to finish. While it happens, let me also show you what else is there. So you can even in image, you can use image as an input. You can remove or edit the background AI. You can swap anything in the image, and I already have done a video around it before. And this is one of the coolest one, room design, and I have also done a video around it where you can change the interior design of a room, whether it's a bedroom, living room, or whatever. And I will drop the link in video's description. Okay. Another cool thing with it you can do is image variation. So and just click on products, and then once you click on product you can uh, switch between different applications from this image creator. So I already have selected my image, and then just click on um, create. You can select simply variation or copy contour. Now, as I said that it is taking bit of a time today, but that is fine. So let's wait for it to finish. If I go back to my previous screen to see where is that. Okay, there you go. I think this is what it has generated. I didn't mention anything about this corrector, but they have it here, so which is fine. Looks okay to me, and they have generated two images, two variations. So this is the one, um, and there is a hint of palm tree. I was expecting some uh, better than this. I think second image is really totally not acceptable. The first image is much better. Let me try out with another prompt. This time I'm just asking it an illustration of AWS cloud fighting with Azure cloud. And let me also, yeah, cool. So I'll just click create here, and it is again generating the task. While it does it, let me go back to the one which we did. So you can see it has altered my image like this. And then this is the second generation. So it has just changed the human face. So this is quite funny. And one of the coolest thing is that they have tried to use the same shirt color which I have. So, okay, I think this is more where they have tried to copy all of these creases and stuff. Sounds great. And then as I said that you can also use image input. You can input any image and it will alter it. And then you can, for example, let me try one of their own. So if I click select this one and then click on create, it is going to just use it like that. Okay, so it is, okay, the queue is quite large this one, so I'll just move it from here. And then you can remove the background or change it or erase it from any image by selecting this option. Okay, so for this one which I had put it in for AWS cloud versus Azure cloud, the queue is quite huge. So let's wait for it to finish. I'll pause the video. So for my this prompt where I was asking it to create an AWS cloud fighting with Azure cloud, I think it got confused, and it has just printed this thing out. If I select the second one, that is, I think it has tried to do something, but it's not really far from what I was actually had in mind, or even it doesn't really depict what we have um, asked it. But that is fine. It is quite an unusual request. Now going back to the other one where I had asked it to change that image from its own repository, it is still in the queue. I think we are just very near, so let's wait for it to finish. It's already there. So this is the image variation they have produced, the image we selected from their own repo. So there are two variations on it. Looks quite good. I think we just need to play around with it a bit, maybe set some resolutions and settings, and it should be good. All in all, a really good tool, I would say. Still a lot of improvements, which I believe will happen over the course of next few months. But you can also already see that where this is heading. I hope that you enjoyed it. I will drop the link of this tool in video's description. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.